Flying train. The flying train is an exciting and futuristic concept that blends the features of trains and airplanes into one powerful mode of transportation. Designed by the Turkish architecture firm diyprojects.Introduction, it aims to solve the need for fast, high-capacity public transit at low altitudes. The train's passenger cars are attached to wings and propellers, allowing it to fly above an electrified track while carrying hundreds or even up to 2,000 passengers at a time. It can reach incredible speeds of up to 500 kilometers per hour, combining the efficiency of trains with the speed of airplanes. Dahir Insat calls it a flying multi-story train, a bold idea that could completely change how people commute and travel long distances. The flying train is designed for the future of urban mobility, offering a faster, smoother, and more practical alternative to traditional transport methods. With its massive passenger capacity and rapid speed, it could make daily commuting easier and reduce travel times significantly. Beyond practicality, the concept brings a sense of wonder and excitement to everyday travel, turning commuting into a futuristic experience. The flying train shows how creative engineering and innovative design could transform the way we move. Icaros Line Thrower. The Icaros Line Thrower is a compact and powerful rescue device that looks like a large mug but is designed for serious tasks. It allows a single person to launch a pilot line for ropes and cables quickly and accurately, reaching up to 300 meters. A visible smoke trail follows the line, making it easy to see exactly where it lands. Lightweight and easy to handle, this tool is perfect for maritime rescues and emergency operations where precision matters. It meets the strict safety standards of the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea. Limex Dynamics W1. The Limex Dynamics W1 is an innovative quadruped robot that changes the way we think about robotics. It's Limex Dynamics' first wheel-legged robot, combining the speed of wheels with the agility of legs to move across a variety of terrains effortlessly. With advanced motion intelligence, high-performance actuators, and cutting-edge vision and motion control systems, the W1 can navigate complex surfaces smoothly and efficiently. One of its standout features is its ability to perceive and understand terrain on its own, a first for wheel-legged robots in China. This means it can plan its movements in real time, climb stairs, descend slopes, and cross obstacles without any human guidance. The robot is not just smart, it's also accessible, with a price reduced from $64.99 to $49.99, making advanced robotics more affordable for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Compact yet powerful, the W1 blends speed, precision, and adaptability in a single machine. Whether for research, exploration, or practical tasks, it demonstrates the future of mobility and intelligent robotics. The Limex Dynamics W1 shows how technology can combine innovation, efficiency, and affordability, providing a versatile and exciting solution for anyone interested in modern robotic advancements. McAfee Rockfall Protection System. The McAfee Rockfall Protection System is a smart and reliable solution designed to protect roads and communities from landslides and falling rocks. In areas like the Philippines, where local roads face heavy traffic and natural hazards, this system plays a vital role in keeping people and vehicles safe. For example, the road to Tacon, a key route for logistics, benefits greatly from McAfee's advanced protection. The system is dynamic, meaning it doesn't just stop rocks and boulders from reaching the road, it also helps improve soil stability over time. The protective mesh allows vegetation to grow through it, which gradually makes the soil denser and stronger. This combination of immediate rockfall protection and long-term soil reinforcement makes it both practical and sustainable. Lightweight, durable, and easy to install, the McAfee system adapts to different terrains and provides continuous safety for communities. By combining innovative engineering with natural growth, it ensures roads remain safe even in areas prone to landslides. Whether it's for everyday traffic or critical logistics routes, the McAfee Rockfall Protection System offers peace of mind, protecting lives and infrastructure while supporting environmental stability in the long run. Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3. The Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3 is an innovative water bike that takes cycling to a whole new level on lakes, rivers, and coastal waters. Built for speed, agility, and smooth handling, it offers a fun and easy-to-use experience for riders of all skill levels. Its unique deep water hydrofoil system lifts the bike above the water, while 11 electric assist settings help you ride faster and further with less effort. The SL3 is also modular, breaking down into 5 separate pieces for simple storage and transportation, making it perfect for travel and adventure. With a long-lasting battery, you can enjoy up to 4.5 hours on the water, exploring new routes, exercising, or just enjoying the ride. Its cutting-edge design combines fitness, fun, and excitement, offering something entirely different from regular bikes or boats. Mission Darkness Gloves. Mission Darkness Titan RF Faraday gloves are designed to give you full protection against wireless signals, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and other electromagnetic transmissions. These gloves are especially popular in forensic labs, where handling sensitive devices like smartphones and tablets without risking data leaks is critical. By wearing them, professionals can work with devices inside RF-shielded boxes while ensuring no signals escape, preventing unauthorized access or interference. The gloves come in a universal size, with both short and long options, making them comfortable and versatile for various tasks. Lab tests have shown that they effectively block signals from 1.5 GHz up to 40 GHz, providing strong and reliable protection for sensitive electronics. Their conductive material ensures precise handling, so you can manipulate devices safely without compromising accuracy. NASA's Capstone. NASA's Capstone is a small but incredibly important spacecraft exploring the moon in a completely new way. It orbits the Earth and Moon in a near rectilinear halo orbit, a special path that perfectly balances the gravitational pull of both, giving the spacecraft a stable and efficient orbit. This unique orbit is not only ideal for observation, but also makes it a top choice for future lunar missions and deep space exploration. Capstone is also testing an innovative navigation system that uses another spacecraft as a reference point. This technology could help future spacecraft travel around the moon with greater accuracy and safety. Serving as a precursor to NASA's upcoming Gateway station, which will orbit the moon and support the Artemis program, Capstone is helping pave the way for humanity's return to the lunar surface. It demonstrates new orbital paths, advanced navigation, and crucial technologies that will make future lunar and space missions more reliable. Compact yet powerful, Capstone is not just exploring the moon, it is laying the foundation for humanity's next steps in space, from lunar research to traveling across the solar system. With this mission, NASA is showing how innovative design and cutting-edge technology can bring the dream of lunar and deep space exploration closer to reality. Ratau Prototype. The Ratau Prototype is a luxurious and innovative mobile home designed for travelers who want style, comfort, and functionality on the go. Its most unique feature is a revolving structure that extends to create a spacious deck, instantly doubling the available living space. This clever design sets it apart in the caravan world, combining classic aesthetics with modern automation for effortless setup. After years of development, the Ratau T83 prototype recently made its debut in New Zealand, showcasing features like a covered porch and an observatory, giving it the feel of a tiny house with all the advantages of a travel trailer. Inside, it includes a dry bathroom with a corner toilet, sink, and shower, plus a compact kitchenette with 2 design options. The dining area is spacious and versatile, transforming into sleeping quarters at night. Large wraparound windows bring in plenty of natural light and offer beautiful views, enhancing the sense of openness. Renault Float. The Renault Float is an exciting concept vehicle that imagines the future of transportation and social interaction. Shaped like a bubble, this pod floats above the ground using a magnetic levitation system, letting it glide smoothly in any direction without needing to turn around. It can even link up with other pods to form larger groups, creating a mobile community experience. The glass exterior gives passengers a 360-degree view, allowing them to see and hear everything around them while enjoying the ride. Designed to be flexible, the float can be rented for a single trip or longer periods through a simple smartphone app, making it convenient for a variety of needs. More than just a vehicle, it serves as a moving space for friends and family to gather, chat, and share the journey together. Its combination of fun, innovation, and practicality makes every ride enjoyable and engaging. Perfect for urban trips or leisurely cruises, the Renault Float transforms transportation into a social experience, blending technology, style, and interaction in one futuristic package. With its sleek design, advanced levitation system, and focus on passenger experience, the Renault Float showcases how travel in the future could be fun, flexible, and community-oriented, offering a new way to connect and explore the world. Renegade Hoof Boots. Renegade hoof boots are specially designed for barefoot horses, offering protection, comfort, and performance all in one. They are easy to put on and remove, yet stay firmly in place, even during tough rides or on rough terrain. One of their most innovative features is the pivoting heel captivator, which supports the natural movement of the hoof and pastern. This allows the horse to flex its hoof naturally while still being protected, helping maintain healthy biomechanics during every stride. Crafted from a high-tech polymer, these boots are strong, durable, and provide excellent grip on all kinds of surfaces, whether it's rocky trails, dirt paths, or wet terrain. SA2. The SA2 is a groundbreaking electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft from Soprano, part of Hyundai Motor Group. Built to carry one pilot and four passengers, it's designed with a sleek V-tail and 8 tilting rotors that let it take off and land straight up, making it perfect for city skies. This means you could skip traffic jams and reach your destination much faster than with traditional transport. The SA2 can travel 25 to 40 miles on a single trip and cruise at speeds up to 120 miles per hour, ideal for short urban commutes or quick weekend trips. Hyundai plans to bring it into service by 2028, and they're already building prototypes with flight tests starting soon. Its compact electric design is not just futuristic, it's also eco-friendly. SafeBack SBX. The SafeBack SBX is an incredible life-saving device designed for anyone venturing into snowy and extreme winter conditions. It's the world's first active air supply system specifically made for snow survival, giving you up to 90 minutes of breathable air when it matters most. Unlike ordinary survival gear, it not only delivers oxygen, but also removes excess carbon dioxide, keeping you safe and breathing comfortably. The system is built to handle freezing temperatures as low as -30 degrees Celsius, so it works reliably even in harsh winter environments. Despite its advanced technology, the SafeBack SBX is compact and lightweight, weighing just 523 grams, and fits easily into a 40-liter backpack. This makes it perfect for hikers, mountaineers, skiers, or anyone exploring snow-covered areas. Easy to carry and simple to use, it provides peace of mind knowing you have a dependable air supply in case of avalanches or other emergencies. Combining portability, efficiency, and cutting-edge survival technology, the SafeBack SBX is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals who face extreme cold. With this device, surviving in snowy conditions is no longer a daunting challenge. It's a smart, safe, and reliable solution that could make all the difference in an emergency. SpyFinder. The SpyFinder Pro is a small, pocket-sized device that gives you peace of mind by detecting hidden cameras wherever you go. Using ultra-bright LEDs powered by MaxiBoost technology, it can find both analog and digital cameras, even tiny ones that are cleverly hidden or turned off. The device is very easy to use. Simply turn it on, look through the viewfinder, and watch for blinking reflections that reveal camera lenses. With a range of up to 14 meters and 3 different scan intensities, the SpyFinder Pro is versatile enough to check any space, whether it's a large office, a hotel room, a cruise ship cabin, or a rental apartment. It's especially useful for travelers, giving them the ability to inspect changing rooms, restrooms, or temporary accommodations for hidden surveillance. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into a bag or pocket, making it convenient to carry anywhere. By using the Spy Finder Pro, you take control of your privacy, turning potential risks into protection. It empowers you to feel safe in spaces where hidden cameras might be a concern, giving you confidence and control over your personal space. This simple, reliable, and effective tool ensures your privacy is never compromised. Star Raker. The Star Raker is an ambitious and imaginative spaceship concept designed to take humanity closer to the stars. Unlike traditional rockets, it would combine air-breathing engines with rocket propulsion, allowing it to lift huge payloads, such as solar power satellites, into orbit while taking off and landing like a regular airplane. It could travel at incredible speeds and reach far higher altitudes than conventional aircraft. Although the Star Raker remains a futuristic vision, it represents a bold leap in space travel, pushing the limits of technology and engineering. Its design would require advanced materials and systems that aren't yet available or cost-effective, which is why it hasn't been built. Despite this, the concept has inspired engineers, scientists, and space enthusiasts around the world, sparking new ideas about how we might travel faster, carry bigger loads, and explore space more efficiently. Tube barrier. The tube barrier is an easy-to-use, highly practical solution for quick protection against floods or temporary barriers. Unlike traditional sandbags, it's designed to save time and effort, allowing just 4 people to set up 100 meters of barrier in only 1 hour. The system comes in 2 heights, 40 centimeter and 70 centimeter, so it can be adapted to different needs and environments. It works perfectly on both paving stones and soil, and there's no need for pumps, electricity, or extra tools, making it extremely convenient in emergency situations. One of the best features of the tube barrier is its reusability, meaning it can be deployed again and again without losing effectiveness. While the 40 centimeter version costs $29 per meter, the speed, ease of setup, and long-term durability make it a worthwhile investment. Whether it's for protecting homes, construction sites, or roads during floods, the tube barrier provides fast, reliable, and strong protection. Vilfo is a powerful and versatile VPN router designed to make online privacy and speed effortless. It can handle encrypted connections at up to 600 megabits per second, making it one of the fastest VPN routers available. What sets Vilfo apart is its ability to connect different devices to different VPN servers at the same time. For example, you could route your TV through a UK server using ExpressVPN, while your PlayStation connects to a server in Turkey via NordVPN. If you already have a VPN subscription, Vilfo integrates with it in just one click, making setup quick and easy. The router also includes built-in analytics, allowing you to monitor traffic, latency, and overall network performance. Notifications are sent straight to your smartphone, keeping you informed in real time. With 3 LAN ports and strong antennas, Vilfo ensures stable and reliable connections for multiple devices at once. It's perfect for gamers, remote workers, and anyone who wants to protect their online activity without slowing down their internet.